What if you could give a $1 million asset without giving it all away? This is about funding generosity while protecting continuity. Most people think that once you donate a large asset, you're done with it. You've lost access, lost control, and definitely taken a hit on liquidity. But what if that wasn't true? There's a strategy that allows you to donate a high-value asset to a great cause and still receive income from it for the rest of your life. You're not giving up flexibility, financial stability, or long-term goals. You're preserving the income you've always relied on while redirecting the impact of your wealth towards something that matters. Instead of selling an income-producing asset for $1 million, paying capital gains tax, and donating what's left, you transfer it to a charitable remainder trust, also called a CRT. The CRT can then either sell the asset tax-free because it's a charitable entity, or retain it if it's already producing a reliable income. Either way, the full value is preserved and either held or diversified into income-generating holdings. From there, the trust pays you an income stream each year. Even though the asset is no longer in your name, it's structured to return income based on the full, untaxed value of the donation, not what would have been left after a taxable sale. Depending on how the CRT is set up, that income can continue for the rest of your life, or a set number of years. Then here's the second layer. You use part of that income to fund a life insurance policy held outside your estate, and when it pays out, it replaces the value of the asset you gave tax-free, either to your heirs or to your business operations. This means the financial structure you've built stays intact by design, not by sacrifice. When the term ends, the remainder of the trust, often a much larger gift than a traditional donation, goes to the cause you care about. Your giving is multiplied, your tax liability is minimized, and no one gets shortchanged in the process. You received a full charitable deduction. You've avoided capital gains. You've maintained a lifetime income, and you restore your estate with clean capital. Why does it work so well? First, the capital gains savings. Avoiding tax on a $1 million sale alone can preserve hundreds of thousands of dollars. Second, the income security. You receive a structured income stream based on the full pre-tax value. Third, asset replacement. Life insurance fills the gap, keeping heirs or business operations whole. Fourth, the legacy impact. The charity receives a larger, tax-efficient gift, often with a permanent income stream. This is what makes CRTs so powerful. You're earning income on the full value of your gift, not what's left after taxes. It's a rare combination of generosity, efficiency, and control. So who is using this strategy? Mercer Advisors says CRTs are typically most suitable for high net worth individuals. EstatePlanning.com says countless families have used CRTs to increase income, save taxes, and benefit charities. Britannica says CRTs are widely used by those with concentrated wealth, offering both income and philanthropic outcomes. This isn't a loophole. It's not a hack. It isn't a secret or some too good to be true internet fad. It's structure, designed to keep what would have gone to Uncle Sam in the coffers of a charitable trust. And it does that without forcing you to give up the income your asset was already providing. You still benefit while you're alive. The cause you care about benefits long after. Of course, this isn't something you set up on your own. Just like it took a team to build your wealth, it takes a team to design this kind of giving strategy. But the reward is lasting. You create a legacy that's structured, strategic, and deeply personal, because the best kind of giving doesn't ask you to sacrifice what you've built. It invites you to extend its impact in this life and beyond.